March 10th, Microsoft patches 79 vulnerabilities. One of them is unlike anything I've seen in 25 years of securing financial institutions. A critical Excel flaw that turns your Copilot agent into a data exfiltration tool. No macros, no clicks, no user interaction at all. Here's what makes this different from every other Office vulnerability you've patched. Normally, XSS bugs in Excel need a human to trigger them. Someone opens a file, clicks a link, enables macros. You train your staff to avoid exactly that. But this one doesn't need a human. It needs your AI agent. When someone shares a poisoned Excel workbook through OneDrive or SharePoint, Copilot Agent starts analyzing it in the background. It reads hidden cells containing a crafted payload. That payload tells Copilot to package your spreadsheet data and send it to an external server. Borrower names, social security numbers, loan amounts, account numbers, all shipped out before anyone opens the file. The zero-day initiative called this an attack scenario likely to be seen more often. So let me break down what's actually happening here, because the technical details matter for your response. First, the root cause is cross-site scripting, a vulnerability class that's been around for decades. Excel's rendering engine doesn't properly sanitize content embedded in cells. Under normal circumstances, that's a bug you patch and move on. Second, what makes this critical is the intermediary Copilot agent has network access. It has permission to read documents. It has permission to make outbound HTTP calls. When it processes a malicious workload, the XSS payload redirects those legitimate permissions towards an attacker's endpoint. Third, and this is the part that matters for credit unions, community banks, and mortgage companies, the exfiltration traffic looks legitimate because it comes from a trusted Microsoft process. Your EDR won't flag it. Your web application firewall won't catch it. Here's the stat that should keep you up at night. According to Microsoft's own Data Security Index, 84% of security leaders want more confidence managing data inside of AI applications. 80% cite data leakage as their primary Gen AI concern. This incident proves both of those fears are justified. At ABT, we've seen across 750 plus financial institutions is a consistent gap. Institutions that deployed Copilot and configured purview sensitivity labels before turning on the agent have a structural defense against this type of attack. Copilot can't exfiltrate data. It can't read. Institutions that skipped governance and went straight to deployment are relying entirely on patches to keep them safe. The fix is 4 steps. Patch immediately. Restrict outbound network access from Office processes. Apply purview sensitivity labels to your financial workbooks and monitor for unusual outbound connections from Copilot. But the bigger lesson isn't about one CVE. Every AI agent with document access and network permissions is a potential exfiltration vector. The question isn't whether the next vulnerability will target AI agents. It's whether your governance is ready when it does. If your institution has deployed Copilot without configuring sensitivity labels or restricting agent network access, your window to get ahead of this is closing. Link is in the description to the full article with the complete protection checklist. And if you want to know exactly where your tenant stands, hit the security grade link. It takes 5 minutes and shows you every gap. I'm Justin Kirsch. See you in the next one.